the world at large, it has inspired itself to be a better place for people to live. And by doing so, it has come up with the word goals, which one of them is Millennium Goals. And the Millennium Goals are achievable through talents. And the talents are the co-curriculum activities. I am Maslin Otari, representing the Form 2 Centrals, and I'm hereby firmly supporting the motion that states to foster Millennium Goals. Co-curriculum activities should be tested like any other subjects in KCPE and KCSE. I would like to define the motion. To foster is to encourage something. Millennium Goals, these are national achievements which need to be achieved after a long period of time. Improve learners' talents and skill. How does it improve learners and talents and their skills? This is whereby the learner will put more effort on the co-curriculum activity, whereby the learner will put more effort in the thing that she or he likes, which is his or her talent, because he or she will know that it's going to be tested in examination, and this one will improve their talents, and it will make them know the more skills about their talents. That's how I'll finish. Thank you.
None of the birds died. I, Vivian, the Clive de la Clean, from the class of Paladin, ready and set to strongly oppose the motion, which states to foster Millennium Goals for curriculum activity be examined as like other subjects in case B and KCSE. First, and define the motion. To foster is to encourage something to develop instructions from learning. What does this mean? There's other better way for the co-curriculum activity to be examined. There's many other ways for the co-curriculum activities to be examined, but to be supported, but not to be examined in KCP and KCSE examination. Like when a person is good as, let's say, playing football, yes, something that we can support him or her is that after he has done something good after playing football, yes, we have to reward her, but not because in other school, as we know, not all of us that we are good in playing football, yes, but in the co-curriculum activity are sports and games. As I have involved football as the one of the co-curriculum activities, I'm saying this: could it bring a change by examining co-curriculum activities? Why there's other challenges for the students to practice in co-curriculum activities? How? Like in other schools, not all of us that we have the materials to do those co-curriculum activities. Like when they'll be examined, the government will be costed a lot to make sure that everything that is needed there for the co-curriculum activity to take place is there.
And without any slightest doubt in me, I think by the end of this session, you will have just to carry your chairs and all your belongings so that you can join hands with us in proposing the motion that states to foster Millennium Goals for curriculum activity be examined like other subjects in KCSE. I will just cross-examine my opponent whom has just said that distraction from learning. I don't think so. Why? If you are good in a certain subject like math and English, I am good in football. And if I'm good in football, that brings us to the equality, whereby the government will have to improve on those curriculum activities so that everyone can work towards his or her talent. And that leads me to my first point, that it leads me to my first point of equality. Equality comes in whereby If you are good in math, I think I've elaborated, but if you are good in math, I am also good in football. If you are good in physics, I am good in a certain game, just like the volleyball. Now, there will be a very equal, whereby the teachers will not be able for us to discriminate us as students. Employment opportunity. For instance, I've just completed study in my school, and yet I'm not good in any curriculum activity. How can I be employed in a certain institution? How? And I'm not good in those subjects, but I'm good in maybe a curriculum activity.
Well, I can see that our fellow opponents, they are very inept to this information, but let me give you hope by telling you there is light at the end of every tunnel. First, I will start by rebattling the first speaker who had previously said in improving talent, put more effort on the co-curriculum activities which the students like. So let me ask you this question. Just because you like the co-curricular activity, like let's say football, so you do it because you like it, not because it is examined. Is that right? And I would like to correct the second speaker who said equality. For example, I'm good in math and you're good in football. How can that lead to equality? How can that lead to equality when I know that math obviously will be tested in the KCP or KCSE, and the co-curricular activity which you are saying football will be tested, and you're not good in the other subjects. And we know mostly that in this other subject, they're mostly tested in the KCP and the KCSE, leaving alone the co-curricular activities. When someone is educated enough, that person is very literate, can be able to tell what is good and what is bad. Let's say, for example, I'm a mother. I have a child, and my child is suffering from child disease, let's say like polio or malnutrition. Because I am very literate, I can be able to tell that this is polio, and this my child has to be taken to the hospital to be given the polio vaccine. But because you are basing on the co-curricular activity, you don't want to base on the education, you won't have the correct information to know these things. On to my second point, achievement of universal primary education. This means that when you have correct information, you will have basic skills, like your behaviors will improve. Knowledge skills will also improve, because when you are learning, you will be able to guide other people out there. I rest my case.
Well, thank you, Judge, for giving this opportunity. I go by the name Norea Samba, representing the Trendsetters class, ready and steady to propose the motion that says, to foster millennium goals, co-curriculum activities should be examined like other subjects in KCPE and KCSE. I was first trying to educate more my fellow opponents, whereby you say that, why if you focus more on education, you can get knowledgeable skills. So you want to tell me, like Kipchoge, was he examined on education, or he was examined on the skills, on how he can run in a fast, and also the footballers like Ronaldo? You want to tell me that she was examined on how the education that has about science, physics? No, she was examined on the education in the skills about the education of about physics, but she was examined on the skills that he had, how to shoot, how to give a good aim at the goal. So you cannot confuse me about that. Also, I wanted to let you know on why you say that achievement in education. You say that education can help you to, like, a child mother can teach his child good knowledge on teaching of behavior and getting the more skills. Yeah, you are a grown-up. You have your own common sense. You know what this is right and this is not right. You can even if you don't understand in the school things, you can, like the subject that you have now that you're learning, you cannot tell me that you don't know that this is bad and this is good. You know.
not amassed by the need of the education and the knowledge from the education that we have today at this point. It's help in achieving goals. You could find a person that he's not well in writing your KCSE, maybe due to panicking or other things, or he did not get the concept when the teachers are teaching. But through co-curricular activity, he can able to pass well in the exam and get a good grade, get an A. This is by knowing that this thing it will be tested. We will put more effort on it, knowing that even if I don't do well in the education, I'll do well in curricular activities, whereby this it will enable everyone. Like for example, you cannot tell me that like this time.
I'm so amazed with you that you're saying some students are hate teachers because of what they are doing. And what do you want to surprise me that if the co-curriculum activities they will be examined, there must be teachers also they be taught how to answer the questions in exam. Okay? You said about talents, doing co-curriculum activities, they have to succeed their marks in KCP and KCSE exams. I want to ask you, as you are based on education and you are based on co-curriculum activities, in fact, we are not saying that you should not do co-curriculum activities, but they should not be examined. We just promote the pupils. They do well in football, we promote them and we give them gifts, but not that to pass the millennium goals, co-curriculum activities be examined regardless of subjects in KCP and KCSE. And to my first proposal that you have said improve talent, then I specified that the pupils they do what they like most because they know that they will be examined. Do you know that other pupils they don't like co-curriculum activities? Why are you told to run and you don't do it? Do you want to do a strict government? So you should do fair. If you don't know athletics and I know math, don't come and test athletics because they want the answer. And also the national exams they should not test you about maths because so the curriculum activities they should not be examined. So my second proposal, you have said that distraction from learning. That there's something point that if you are in good maths and I'm good in football, that it will not be equal. It will be equal. But I'm telling you that co-curriculum activities, teachers they should give us to just support us. We just exercise to support us, but they should not examine them. Okay, you're talking about employment. You're saying that if you base on co-curriculum activities, you'll be employed. But those who base in education will not be employed. I want to tell you, since in class 4, you are based on football. Since until I've come to secondary, I am still based on football. I am based on biology and chemistry, physics. I can be a scientist engineer. I can be a doctor. I can be a teacher. I can be the one to be employed. That's the first point that I'm consuming. That is my first point. Do you know that most of some of the schools they don't have field to play, so that they are supposed to go to another school so that they can play, so that because they know that it will be examined. This is time consuming. Do you know that curriculum activities so much a lot of time is spent outside than in classrooms? So this is not to be examined. Thank you.